Hello friends, and this is Ajay. Now I will explain the topic ratio and proportion. In this video I will explain the concepts unitary system and partnership. And coming to the unitary system, these are the three questions that I will discuss in this tutorial. If you are able to solve these questions in 3 minutes, then you can skip this tutorial. And coming to the first question, given 20 men are taking 36 days to do a work, then how many days will 24 men take to do the same job? So we know that the total work done is equal to total men into total number of days. So for 20 men and 36 days, the work done is 720, and this work has to be done by 24 men. So the total number of days can be get by dividing the total work done by total number of men, which gives 30 days. So the number of days are 30. And coming to the second question, 30 men can prepare 4000 toys in 45 days by working at a rate of 6 hours per day. Then how many toys approximately can 40 men prepare working at a rate of 8 hours per day? From the question we can say that the number of days in both cases is common, so we can neglect the number of days. Now tabulate the results in both cases, that is men, hours and toys. And now calculate the total hours of work, that is 30 men into 6 hours, which gives 180 hours per day, and in the second case 320 hours per day. So 180 hours per day can prepare 4000 toys. Now for 320 hours per day, then how many toys can be prepared? This we have to calculate, which gives 7111. So 40 men can prepare 7111 toys at a rate of 8 hours per day. And this is the answer for this question. And these are the two theorems in rule of fractions. And coming to the third question, it is similar to the previous question. Here 120 men can take 48 days to construct a wall of some length, height and breadth by working at a rate of 8 hours per day. And how many number of days will 160 men to construct a wall of some length, breadth and height by working at a rate of 12 hours per day? And it is given that men in second case are twice efficient as men in first case, that is 120 men will take 10 days, then in second case 120 men will take only 5 days, that is they can do the work as twice as fast as the men in first case. Tabulate the results and find out the ratios of corresponding men in first case and second case, length, breadth, height, effective and hours. And we know that the total work done is equal to total men into total number of days. So days is equal to 48 into and the corresponding ratios, which gives 81/2 days. 40 days plus half day. If you are not clear these ratios, I will tell you how. Total work done is equal to total men into total number of days. In first case, the total work is length into breadth into height, that is 600 into 18 into 12, and 8 is the working rate, 8 hours per day, and total 48 days and 120 men. And similarly in second case, the total work 900 into 27 into 18 and 12 hours per day, and we have to find out the number of days and 160 men. So total work is equal to total hours per day into number of days. And similarly in the second case, total work is equal to total hours per day into total number of days. This we have to find out. So by cross multiplying we will get these ratios as I have shown in the previous slide, which gives 40 days plus half day. Partnership. And these are the basics that you need to know before going to answer the questions. Partners share profits according to the business interest ratio, and business interest is the product of investment and the period of investment, and salary of the partner has to be subtracted from the profits first before the profits are distributed. So coming to the question, a man started a business with an investment of 6 lakhs. So given there are 3 people A, B, C. First we have to find out the percentages of all A, B, C. A has worked for 12 months. Total value of A is equal to total money invested into total months, which gives 6 lakhs into 12 months, that is 72 lakhs. This is the total value of A, but not the total price. And B has worked for 6 months and C has worked for 3 months. So total value of B is equal to 72 and total value of C is also 72. Ratio of ABC is equal to 1:1:1. So share of C is equal to ratio of C by sum of ratio into the total profits they have got by the year end. So share of C is equal to 60,000. And this is the answer for this question. Thank you.